To download Pinterest videos on mobile, you first have to locate the video that you want to download. In this case, I'm going to download this one. At the bottom of this video, we have 3 dot icons, so make sure to click on it. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. Proceed to swipe left up until you locate the copy link icon. Continue to tap on it. So this will copy the URL address of this video. After that, we're going to minimize this page, then open our Chrome browser. You are free to choose any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type google.com. Then in the search engine, we're going to type Pinterest video downloader and pick the one with this best match. Among the list of options here, we're going to select the first one, which has the URL pinterestdownloader.com, and this will direct us to an interface like this. Here we have the option to paste our link here, so we're going to long press here and then tap on paste. This will make sure the video link that we've copied is pasted here. After that, we're going to tap on download to allow it a bit of moment to finish synchronizing and downloading everything. And then we have to scroll up a bit until we locate these 2 options, which is download video and force download video. So we're going to proceed to click on download video and allow it a bit of moment to do its things. So it will redirect us to an interface like this with an option to even play the video. In this case, we want to download this video. At the right bottom of this video, we have this 3 dot icon, so make sure to tap on it and then continue to tap on download. A pop-up menu will appear giving us the video file name and its direct location. In this case, it's stored at downloads. Then we're going to proceed to tap on download. Allow it a bit of moment to finish downloading. We can continue to tap on open here, and that's it. The video is now downloaded. To locate it in our gallery, all you have to do is to move out of this app and then locate our photo gallery here. In my case, it's located there. So when I tap on it, and this is the video I have downloaded. If you want to play it, you can just proceed to tap on the video and it will start playing just like that. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.